here in our room, 1453. And there's the bathroom as you come in. I'll do a better tour later. These are the closets and the safe. There's laundry bags. Got some drawers in there. Got your phone, menu. There's a directory, fun times. That's their little daily newsletter thing. Got the 2 regular plugs and the 2 USB. Thing for the adapters. There's the bed. Got the lights. This goes to another room, I think. Storage under here. Switch behind us to turn off the lights. Over here is the cooler. Got shelving there for TV. And that's it.